Achalugo, wait. Achalugo, Chelu.
Odogwu, what?
Achalugo, I'm going to marry you. You are going to be my wife.
Odogwu, please.
I already know how this thing is going to end.
Odogwu.
But Achalugo, I want to tell you something. I don't really have money now, but I promise you a bright future. I'm working on something.
What are you working on?
It's not all about money. I promise you a bright future. Agbachoso Agwomais.
Abachoso Agwomais. Odogwu, do you want to kill me with hunger? Onyema to me is way by no kill Bogu. Who knows how water got into the seeds of the punky?
Achalugo, I have a bright future for you. What is Okiu Bogoro? Keep running. I will get you. Anyways, today is Igbo Proverb Friday.
Jamoji in the building, aka Adandibo, aka Chibibiti, Beauty Brains and Talent.